In the previous lecture, we installed and activated a Directorist theme. Now we'll move one step further and install a Directorist premium extension. It expands your Directorist functionality. Installing them correctly ensures your website runs smoothly and integrates all required features properly. In this lesson, I will show you two methods for installing and activating extensions. Let's begin. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to Directories, Themes and Extension. This is the central area where all official Directorist themes and extensions are managed. If your Directorist account is not connected yet, you will see a Connect button. Enter the same email and password you used on the Directorist website. Click Connect. Once you are successfully connected, all available extensions in your subscription will appear here. Just like themes, extension can be installed in two ways. Let's start with the direct installation method. Click on the extension tab to view all available extensions. Here you will see various extensions such as Directorist Analytics, Pricing Plans, WooCommerce Pricing Plans, PayPal Payment Gateway, Directorist Ads Manager, Directorist Advanced Review, Booking, Digital Marketplace, and more. To install an extension, click the Install button next to your desired extension. For example, I'll install Directorist Analytics. Click Install. Wait a few seconds while the WordPress automatically download and install the extension. After installation completes, navigate to WordPress dashboard, Plugins, Install Plugins. Here you will see the newly installed extension listed among your plugins. Locate Directorist Analytics or whichever extension you install and click Activate. Once activated, the extension is fully functional. You can repeat this same process to install multiple extensions. Remember, always wait for one installation to finish before starting another one, and do not refresh or close the page during installation. Now let's look at the second method, manual installation. This method is useful if you prefer downloading extension files directly from your Directorist account dashboard. First, log into your Directorist account on the website. Download the zip file of your desired extension. Then go to WordPress dashboard, Plugins, Add New, and Upload Plugin. Click Choose File, select the zip file, click Install Now, then click Activate. The extension is now installed manually. Both methods achieve the same result. Choose whichever workflow you prefer. After activation, some extensions automatically add new options inside Directorist settings. For example, once Directorist Analytics is activated, you will notice analytics-related settings appear inside the Directorist setting panel. This confirms successful integration. If you see the extension listed under Plugins and its related settings visible inside Directorist, the installation was successful. While installing extension, avoid these common mistakes. Do not install the same extension twice. Do not leave extension inactive after installation. Do not interrupt the installation process. Do not upload corrupted or incomplete zip file. Keeping your installation process clean ensures long-term stability. You now know how to properly install and activate Directorist Premium extension. In the next lecture, we'll begin configuring some of the most important extensions. That's where your directory starts functioning as a complete system. I'll see you in the next video.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.